Mommy, Daddy, what's this?
How's that watermelon, big guy?
Ah!
Ah!
Daddy, Mommy. Oh, my shoe.
Uh-oh,
What
did your shoe
happened?
come off? Uh-oh, his shoe came off. That's alright, take your other one off.
Oh, I'm not taking it off.
You just want to wear one and not the other?
What's it? What?
What is it?
My toes.
Your what? You need to finish that watermelon?
Your cars?
Mommy. Ah! Daddy, what's this? Ah! Mommy, this. Ah!
Nice.
Daddy, what's this? Ah! Mommy, what's this? Ah! Ah!
Ah! Oh my goodness.
Ow!
Oh, did you bite yourself?
Yeah.
Maybe you should finish your watermelon.
Oh,
Ron, where's your watermelon?
what? Okay.
You need it? Let's see you take a... Oh! What happened to your watermelon?
I
You're so silly. What is that? Oh.
Where'd it go, Rowan?
Oh, dinner.
You flung it off your fork.
Oh, no.
Rowan, can you sing the biggest dinosaur song?
The biggest dinosaur. Ah! What's that? Yeah.
What else do you know? What other song do you know?
What about Sha-La-La?
Sha la 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 la. Oh,
You going for more?
Back for another piece. It's like your fifth one, buddy.
Oh, it's a
Big
big
one.
one.
Oh.
Make sure you eat
Don't
it.
fling it off, though.
Good job.